Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a storytelling. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the storytelling is an empathy tool. It got the following characteristics. It is an oral or written narration that lets people know a story which aims to generate empathy and understanding on the receptor. The tool is usually used in the phases of empathy, ideation, prototyping, and implementation in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. If there is an oral performance, disguises and other elements are used to generate a most realistic understanding of the idea and concept that the creator wants to make feel to the users and the customers that watch the storytelling. The components of the storytelling are communication channel, script, performance, and engagement. So the storytelling, the most important thing at the beginning is not you have to know why you are doing what you are doing. Why are you gonna make a storytelling? When you define the purpose and the objective, you define the communication channels. This means you can make a storytelling written, oral, or maybe you can make a video. Sometimes people make even infographic to show a storytelling. However, today we're gonna just focus on the oral part. So it's very important that you focus and choose a proper channel depending on which one are your users or people who's been watching this. After that, you make the script. That is very important because here you make all the planning, all the organization, all the resources, and also you make all the story, what you want to show. Maybe the story of a person that has been struggling in life and you want to know and show how the product or service that you are developing will change his life. That is very important. So you need to be very accurate here, showing all the information. You have to be here very specific. It doesn't matter if it take you a long time. The important thing here is to show a story that people when hear it or watch it get a lot of empathy, because that's the main purpose when you make a storytelling, because you want to people understand the situation and feel loyalty to whatever developing you are doing. After you define all the components of the script, you go with the performance. The performance is when you deliver and you show. As I told you before, it could be in a presentation or could be in a video. Here, you have to always keep in your mind aim for empathy. If I was the person who's been watching this without me feel related, it will make me feel something special. So one of the important things here is storytelling is really popular nowadays because people start to making stories that really make feel people special. So when you feel related with something is when you really feel like, yeah, this is the kind of product, this is the kind of service that I want to have for my company, that I want to purchase for my family. So that's the important thing here when you make the performance. Make people feel that they belong to the situation and show how could change their lives. Finally, the engagement. The engagement is really important because here is when you evaluate the experience that you make with your storytelling feel the person. So the behavior of the people is really important. How can you say if your storytelling was successful or not? Because people get loyal to the brand, get loyal to the service. So it's very important that you analyze that and see if it's going good or if it's not going good. As a conclusion, we can say that the storytellings allowed to generate empathy with respect to an idea or prototype throughout an oral or reader narration. Increase and promote the process of a user experience regarding an idea or prototype to the interaction and understanding of a story. The success of this tool is measured through the commitment and loyalty that the user or audience show to the product or service promoted through the storytelling. Thank you so much. I hope this video it's a big help to the project that you are developing. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow our social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Design Thinking 24/7. Thank you so much for following us each week. We are the #1 channel of design thinking in the whole YouTube universe. Remember, on Monday we have a new video in Spanish. On Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.